Every Who down in Whoville liked Christmas a lot, but the Grinch, who lived just north of Whoville, he did not. The Grinch hated Christmas, the whole Christmas season. Now please don't ask why. No one quite knows the reason. It could be his head wasn't screwed on just right. It could be, perhaps, that his shoes were just too tight. But I think that the most likely reason of all may have been that his heart was 2 sizes too small. An excerpt from Dr. Seuss's How the Grinch Stole Christmas. Take time out this Christmas season to read to a child at an orphanage or a senior at a nursing home. This good deed can put a smile on their faces for Christmas. Continue to do good, and not just for this season, as we aim to make Jamaica the place of choice to live, work, raise families, and do business.